going to begin with the subway chokehold trial in Lower Manhattan. Prosecutors could possibly rest their case today against Marine veteran Daniel Penny, with the defense getting its chance to sway the jurors. They've already heard from witnesses in the subway car where Jordan Neely died in a chokehold, as well as a Marine instructor who taught Penny how to restrain a suspect without ending in death. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles has been following this trial. She's live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Darla?
Sandra and David, testimony resumed this morning with the medical examiner. This is the medical examiner who deemed this case a homicide due to neck compressions. Dr. Cynthia Harris this morning testifying that when Jordan Neely was released from the chokehold on the floor of that subway car, that he was already dead. She testified that during the autopsy, she found signs of trauma, multiple signs of trauma during that autopsy, bleeding in Neely's neck, chest, spleen, and small pools of blood in his eyes from ruptured blood vessels. All of this a result of being placed in a chokehold for almost 6 minutes. Dr. Harris also testifying this morning about significant moments in this video where she can physically see signs of death. She says she sees Neely's face turn purple and also sees involuntary movements that are consistent with the brain dying. Now, just yesterday, jurors saw a video of the taped NYPD interview with Daniel Penny at the 5th Precinct describing why he continued to hold Neely in a chokehold for so long.
Well, once the door's open, he's, you know, like he gets that burst of energy, and I don't know if the doors have been open at that point or if we're still waiting for the station to come. But he has. So I get him down. He's squirming around and stuff, going crazy. Then he lets up. He seems like he's resisting. You know, just calm down, and then he gets another burst of energy, and I you know, hold him. Apply more pressure. That's correct.
Now, did you guys say anything to each other at any given time?
No.
He didn't say anything to you?
No.
Okay. Was he making any noise?
I mean, not really.
Now, also this morning in court, multiple autopsy photos being shown to the jury. They also saw pictures of Jordan Neely's neck, where they say there are welts on his neck and fingernail markings from the grip that Daniel Penny had on him for 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Now, there was a toxicology report. It did determine that Jordan Neely had K2 in his system. This is a synthetic drug, and because of that, the medical examiner explains that it's really they're really unable to determine how long the K2 had been in his system. The medical examiner still on the stand right now, still needs to be cross-examined by Daniel Penny's attorney. After that happens, the prosecution, as you mentioned, Dave and Sandra, is expected to rest at some point today. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.